You want me to take him out of the box?
Who's that?
Wow, let me see.
Who do you got?
Brendan, who is it? Who's that?
Mater?
I'll open it. You open this one.
Bo.
What
It said star. It's okay, I'll clean up after.
We'll pick it up after.
Don't worry about it. Watch a Mater.
You got lights? What's in the other one? What's in the other box? What do you got?
Goofy?
Goofy. You want me to open that?
Who's in there? Mickey and Goofy?
You want to see Mickey and Goofy?
And Figaro? I don't know if Figaro's in there. Might be.
Oh, yeah.
There's Minnie.
Oh, wire them down.
You just pull them out, they actually come out. The other ones did.
Nope. Broke the jackhammer.
A fire.
Fire Pete.
What's that? It's stuck.
It's stuck. Can you say Merry Christmas? Brendan, over here.
Look at Mama.
Come here.
Look at Mama. Only certain ones are wired down.
Can you say Merry Christmas?
Goofy and
Goofy
Can you say
and
Merry
Mickey.
Christmas?
Make us say Monk Pete.
Merry Christmas.
Make us say Monk
And to Goofy and Pete. What about to Mommy and Daddy?
Can you say Merry Christmas to Daddy?
Can you say Merry Christmas, Nana and Grampy?
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, you're too tired.
John.
Who's that?
Don't know.
Donald.